I'm just recording, so whenever you're ready, we can.
All right, class, today we are going to be doing our 6 stations, as Ms. Nauman already shared with you. We are going to have the first one, which is going to be the Surface of the Moon Lab. That is going to take place over here, and you have a lab sheet which will explain in great detail what your responsibilities are. So you'll want to read through that with your group, and then be recording your observations. Okay, as you can see, you're going to be measuring something very important, okay, and you're going to be using these forks appropriately, not poking your neighbor or anything like that, but for smoothing the sand. Keep the sand in its little container, as well as when you're using the different size rocks, which are going to be, basically you're going to be doing something real important that has to do with craters and that sort of thing. So make sure you're following the directions that are listed and using everything in this area appropriately. Sand needs to stay where it is, okay? If there are any groups that are not following those directions, obviously you know the consequences. All right. The second one is the Moon Lab Sheet. Now, the Moon Lab Sheet, is the mini poster and paragraph worksheet, which we can have that via one of these other tables over here. And what that looks like, hold on, I grabbed the wrong one. This is where you're going to use your drawing skills. Doesn't have to be a perfect artist, but what you're going to do is you're going to be drawing a picture of a lunar eclipse as well as a solar eclipse. Then you're going to be writing just a short paragraph that's describing why does a lunar eclipse happen more than a solar eclipse. Okay, so you have 2 places for that and an explanation area. Okay, that'll be one of them.